Jeep Rubicon 392. You won't believe it, but this vehicle used to be black and now it's white. So behind me we have a Jeep Rubicon 392. It is black. I know black paint matters. A lot of guys love black, but black is a part-time job. So if you're trying to keep a vehicle clean, it is very, very difficult. You see scratches, you see swirls, you see dirt, everything shows up on it. You can ceramic coat it, you know, that makes life a lot easier, but the customer owns a handful of vehicles. We've done a lot of cars for him and trucks, and they are all white. He loves white vehicles. So when he purchased this vehicle, he could not get a white 392. So he got the black one, had it for a couple years. This is, well, a few years. This is a 2021. Didn't even drive it that much. So what we're doing is we're gonna use 1 PPF. So Mark, we're dedicating this video to you. Mark is the owner of the company. So we are using 1 PPF gloss metallic white. This is the closest color that we could find that matches the customer's GMC truck that he's also got. There it is. Look at that. It's almost like a pearl. So it's more of a pearl than a metallic, I would say. Very, very nice color. So yeah, we are gonna be going from black to white. Stay tuned for the finished results. Excited to show you guys how you can make your cars look that much better just by doing a color change. And we'll tell you the benefits, of course, why paint protection film wraps are so beneficial. Wow, look at that. That's how you know there is no ceramic coating whatsoever on the vehicle or any protection at all. As you can see, Nick is rinsing off the vehicle. So we had already sprayed decon soap. And as you can see, super flat. So anyways, all right, guys, giving you a quick update. So Jeeps are pretty complicated to wrap. You know, they're just like your G-Wagons. It's not a big vehicle. There's not a whole lot of parts to it, but it will take some time. So anyways, we were distracted a little bit with other projects, but we're making some really good progress now. So we got the tire off here in the back. We're gonna go ahead and loosen this up as well. That way we can get a little bit better coverage. We're not removing the hinges. The reason being why? Well, one, because it's black, right? If we go over this with white, that does make a pretty nice accent piece staying black. And then if you ever remove these, the paint flakes, chips, and then you have another issue. In the past, when we have done vinyl wraps, you know, we have attempted to remove all of the hinges, wrap it. When you're reinstalling everything back, you get the issue of those 2 points really compressing together and essentially crushing the vinyl. And what that does is it would just make it bubble around in those areas. So the best way for longevity would be in the software. We're gonna shrink these cutouts a little bit more, get them really tight around there. You're not even gonna notice it at all. So like I said, we're gonna be removing that. As you can see, some really good progress with the doors. But anyways, yeah. This is pearl white. It looks beautiful. I can't wait to see it outside. Enjoy the B-roll. right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Jeep Rubicon 392 all finished up. So I went from black to white. It was a pretty difficult project to do, especially since this is our first one doing in paint protection film, but we feel like it came out very, very well, very, very good. Thankfully, it went from black to white, so essentially we did not have to worry about anything with the hinges and a few pieces here and there. We actually think it gives it a little bit of a nice accent with the black and white theme that ties in with the black wheels that it already had. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're looking for this kind of work, please reach out to us. And thank you very much, like I said, and see you next Friday at 6 p.m.